Hello and welcome to MayberryConsulting.com. Mayberry Consulting isn't simply in the grant writing business, we're in the grant winning business. Mayberry Consulting and Evaluation Services, LLC offers comprehensive grant services to meet the needs of both small and large 501c3 agencies, state-registered nonprofits, schools, and businesses. We provide grant writing training, grant proposal technical review, nonprofit incorporation, prospect research, program evaluation, and strategic planning sessions. We pride ourselves on our knowledge gained from being the lead evaluator on more than 120 projects funded by the U.S. Department of Education, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, and numerous state agencies and private foundations. Please call our toll-free number at 866-753-7229. We're open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. We look forward to working with you. Oh, by the way, if you would like information about new grants, sign up for our free emails at grantogram.com. The link is on this webpage.